Yeah, AshifaShabba, Kitseni, 9 p.m. Ya Tuesday, engwe engwe. Black ekiliko yona, baibisa kuri, ki mujondol. Yes, mujondol ka AshifaShabba lingo ki Joburg. Akire hujiwa madombolo fela mokaufi. Baja madombolo, nako ya uyapea aitengmos. Ya, alisanza lina kana urlinya ko yapea bukhobe uralinya kubu yapea. AshifaShabba yakacheko.
Kana
hola, my sister. Akirunya ka video machine. Yeah, kiona it's wearing body DVD, it's wearing what is slow motion, what is how eject a remote control. LK deng is benekat. Yeah.
No one kisses on a capilla so
Fast. Guy. No, Pella. Kiko spanning and then how Kaibula no and then battle it was Hampisa didn't no. Hurry, fast.
Okay, well, it's okay.
Yeah.
I hope we end nice.
And eat black. Wabana. Yeah.
Yeah. I hope
no. It's a ngadeng. Casio yote bato babutso uikrele ka. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
No. Mara papa, what is it I will like it?
Listen, I suggest to remove this thing. Okay.
I'm going to hold them. I hope we're able to. Makapa na badimuban tswetse moshimanyana wa gauteng ampereka ya ka tshiretse ke inyaka wa bona tshirele.
Today I am AshifaShabba. Who I am?
Today I am
AshifaShabba. Who I am? And the word for today is berekula.
The word for today
is berekula.
Okay.
What is this now?
Berekula.
Sergio, I teach my class, you are busy, uava rutul lamre. Let me see. You don't write berekula like this. Who's late?
You, Shabba.
The teacher can't be late. How? Since when? This is berekula. Quickly.
Berekula.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Today's word is okay. Can you write more coffee?
More coffee.
Yes. I mean, you know how to write my words, right?
More coffee.
More coffee.
More coffee.
More coffee.
More coffee. Guys, more coffee. Eating more coffee. Allah.
More coffee.
Oh, more coffee.
It means near.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So, like you would say, Gold Reef City is near Soweto.
Oh, yeah.
City is near Soweto.
So, Gold Reef City, Imo Kaufi, Le Soweto.
Oh, Gold Reef City, more coffee, he Soweto. Oh, yeah.
Okay, Salamina, what is this kit?
Shabba in the swimming pool.
Okay, Shabba. All you have to do is to swim across in a straight line. There's your camera over there, right?
You swim across.
Yeah.
Why don't you just say I must jump across? I mean, there's nothing here.
Mran, hurry. We don't have the whole day.
Can you swim?
But can you swim?
Why see? Nah. Ke khale ke swimmer. Ha ba re batho ne ba swimmer against the stream. Konjele River, Mbudi River, Liko Lake, Fundudzi. Ne ke di bereka dilo tse.
Okay.
Penny Haynes o bontshitswe ke nna ho swimmer.
Okay. Stand by. Sound ready. Roll camera.
A ke tsene gore Protea Thoyando ne sa mo irang.
And quiet, please. We're going now. Action, Shabba. The next thing I'll do is swim. Come on.
I think gore taba e bontsha ba banyane gore taba tse tsa metsi go sina batswadi like limoni motswadi a tsena a tlola tsa motsetse repa ga se yona o tlo yeperelwa ke mathata a matele a nyakile ang diaparela ka taba ya dilo tse ba re ke metsi.
The actor, I did service. How much what's about Panama per area? What's about swimmer area? What's about Namera donkey? Yeah. How much is it and told that him? Ibama Tata AshifaShabba. Okay, cut.
Ndikopa mabvungu apa uri tivoni yavo iyi usozoko fayariwa dzikochu dzichifayaruriwa ufuri kuita karoita so ufuri kuita mini vasikosoko dzikochu dzisoko hayariwa namusi bheke dao hari komufayaro ino ufuri kuita
aravasaite mushumo zvavo ndivafari
pasi jajisani zvori coach aikuita mushumo zvavo
no navatu vanogona kuzijajas
ndivonyene
vaone havakodabiwa zvinhu vakasiyabiwa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So kava dzirombudzo zvavhudi vayashumisa mushonga ka black lepers rikwamba kutanda ukunoni konoveiwa mapara ni vonozvivona musi wasvikavewa kutanda
rikadhutoda
ringavatusa
ya raninawo ndanawo
ndopfa something afo fivo zimbabwe kana zvaitiwa uri vangatika ngori hei season yoperawo zvazvikokonda habe vonyaka noubva
ariwe
votifani tlespinga musi uchipfi black leopards it's not obva ka PSL
hana raridhidhakarera
zvasadhiri namusivo
no rakozidheora ringana
so dzimanagere dzimwe nadzikochu dzadzitimu zondangavo black leopards kamashango anda vavambara dzitai vodihunga itova kakati vukuma so why vone vasambari dzitai kufana navo lavangeni
natiribona rodzihunga ndingashava naribona edzonakangamana
so ei mivara ya black leopards zvirodhani uri vatochuza ei mivara inenda kuivona pano
ritoifunesa yadzivala mudhadha navutsu zvotonakesa
vangaifara maybe ndikodzera kunyangoresigna
a tshiri tsana ri ḓo dzhia muṅwe ndi vhaini
Support yani afuna yani zwi tshi khou tshimbilana na thimu ya Black Leopards.
ai vha i funa nga maanḓa thimu uri thimu ndi uri yo itwa hanefho thomiwa hanefha ya hula hanefho i tshimbila stage zwoṱhe hanefho so ndi yavho thimu vhathu vha fhano
U bva fhano hayani ngori ri pfha zwo tongo na vhathu vhanzhi nyana vhane vha vhori vha khou rengiwa vha tshi bva kha maṅwe mashango ende u khou dovha u khou rengiwa na vho no bva kha dziṅwe dzi province so vhana vhathu vhangana vho no bva fhano hayani
80%.
80% zwi tshi khou amba uri ndi vhathu vhangana vhana vhathu vhangana nga ngomu ndi zwa uri hu tshiwa u tamba hu vhona vhathu vha 11 mara vha tshi ri 80% vha khou ri vha na staff tsha vhathu vhangana kana vhatambi vhangana
18 19 vha fhano hayani
Okay, so vha khou vhona ungari zwithu zwa bola vha ḓo vha khazwo u swika lini
u tshila nga hoṱhe bola i kha nṋe ndi a i funesa
ngaphi bola kha u ḓi hone sa musi vha minitsheri wa bola vho vhuya vha itamba bola hone
ndi tamba nda ndi wa kholomo
vha tshi tamba fhethu hononga ngaphi afhanoni hayani
badani davhini hoṱhe
vha nga ḓi tori pfa vho dzina ḽa fhethu huthihi ngori vha ḓivha zwi ḓa u kha ḓi dzheniwa tshikolo kana kha ri uri mathitshere a ḽa kale a tshi dzhena ngomu kilasini pfi ane nda tshi ḓivha badi nda tshi dzhia namba 1 nda tshi to dzi dume a ri thu vhona na report ya hone mara so thitshere ṅwana wa tshi dzhia namba 1 oyo vha tshi dzhia namba 2 thitshere hono gai so vhone vha tshi tamba kha ri ḓo ro fa madzina uri maybe una muthu ano ḓo zwi hanedza afuna vha tshi tamba ngaphi bola
ngaphi kana nda ndi tshi tamba
ngaphi vha kha position ifhio fhethu mudavhi wo vha tshi tamba khawo
na right back
okay mudavhi no feel
wa phala
vhone vhe vha wina tshiphuga tshinolana na ezwinoni zwa mitambo ya bola ndi khou ambela kha sa Black Leopards Football Club
ya ra wina tshiphuga ri tshi khou 2001 ri tshi khou promotewa kha Elite League ra tamba ra vha dzi champion dza dzingwendo dza inland na coastal stream ra wina tshiphuga ya
okay ndi khou pfa tshipfi vhathu nga vha khou ngo u rengisa Black Leopards vha khou mela kha PSL management vha tshi ita zwa security kana vha khou mela
Mbamachelo
Mbamachelo ndi zwi khou amba uri ndi na okay
Mbamachelo
I Black Leopards ai khou ita tshelede zwavhuḓi
ndi khou vhona uri nga ri ange ri ḓo ita matikinya
ndi khou livhuwa thiri for information ava khou ri fha ino zwi tshielana na Black Leopards vha ra livhuwa na vha Vevisa Lodge vha tshi khou ri fha fhethu ro dzula hone hafhanoni ṋamusi
ni a vhona ra madidingo a tshi fhedza ṅwaha ndi hanefha hune ra ṱangana hone
nda
zwino ra ni ṱoḓo ri vhona ri tshi fhedza ṅwaha ni ḓa hanefha ni ḓo ri vhona ama Vevisa Lodge
no ri khou livhuwa nda mo lapeng ba a re bereki ka taba tse tsa dikoloto lapeng ba Protea North a re bereki biao le tshwanetse re le patale ke month end mos
ena enwa sekoloto la
sekoloto hey if le tsang yo go nyego tsamayang man okay ibile wa tseking a ke tsile uri why me an shebile biana wa tse o nkgopotsa ngwanyana o mong ba re ke magwafi a munang wa itse magwafi a monang ke bo me ba ne ba rata go di tlhokomela wa itse ibile o di agetse lentlo e pila bjang tsa mabota a matele kore a o bone gore go na le eng mo gare ntho e bonang fela ke lebati la garage if le bulega from there dikoloi di a tsena di a tswa and then di tsena di a tswa because me o ne a jola botuku kore ke bona ba o jola e kare ba mo loile le moloi wa teng sele a shwile bjang so mo next door ya teng kuna le magogo o mong o a nna go teng o a bona man dikoloi di a tsena go tsena di trokonyana di half troko tse go a tsena di tututu go tsena di baki wa tsiking mefuta yo yotlhe le tse nyane tse di a tsena di a tswa kuri yena o no bona koloi di le batile le zr ha le yena magogo wa batho wa itse a re eng e re ke mo botsise mme o re bothata ke eng wa fitla mo ena re magwafi ke kopela o botsisa question wait magwafi re o ka botsisa question bothata ba gago ke eng ebile o mo fa le attitude e senang ka sipe a re magogo wa batho o mechanic na me o botsori why o botsisa question e magogo wa batho a re phela ke a bona dikoloi di a tsena di a tswa ke re maybe wa di lukisa wa yo omblele fela 1948 moloi o ba re ke apartheid a tla abelegwa wa itse a tla abelegwa 1994 apartheid ra ishapa 2 feet kwa ya ne re sa dinyaka le re nyaka ke mang na dinyaka dilo tse mara bjano mo apartheid museum ya mo Johannesburg wa itse king ba santsane ba classify batho ba ba berekola ka ditaba tsetsa black and white white and black. Wait, why are you still classifying people? Well,
Shabba, we're classifying people so that they can experience what it was like to be classified and to be separated out. It's a small part of the museum, and it's as you enter the museum, you experience it.
Empowerment. A buzzword in the new South Africa. Yeah. What does the visit into this museum empower me with?
The visit to the museum is an empowerment tool in that it tells you the history of South Africa. And we hope that when people come through here, they'll know what it was like to live under apartheid, what it was like to be separated, what our parents were talking about, and leave with the knowledge that they'll never let it happen again.
Apartheid chameleons. Tell me about it. During the apartheid era, I hear that there were some colored people who wanted to turn white, black people wanting to turn white, and then white people didn't want to turn black. What was actually happening?
Yeah, you know what? It was so stupid because there were these 4 white men, and people went to them. They were the classification board. And when they wanted to be reclassified, they went there and they applied for reclassification. And these people would sit there and do the most crazy tests. I mean, they put a pencil in your head, and if it fell out, you could be classified one way. And if it didn't fall out, you could be classified another way. The other test they did was, for example, they'd ask you what sport you like. And if you said rugby, they'd classify you as colored, for example. And if you said soccer, which is supposed to be the black person's sport, then they'd classify you as black. And example, if they ask you how tall were you when you were 10 years old, and if you went like that, they'd classify you one way. And if you went like that, they'd classify you another way, for example. Crazy
stuff. Do you have a pencil?
No, I don't.
Hey, I want to become white now. Where's the pencil?
You know what's interesting, Shabba, is that nobody was ever who was black was classified white, and nobody who was white was ever classified as black. And I mean, that's a statistic you'll find inside the museum as well.
Bianong ke nyako le bontsha home video e rumetsweng ka an upcoming comedian wa tsepila ditsutswana tse di latelang ke tsa luna mo gae mo. So if una le video camera nyana sipe ntwe tshwantse re o ire wa ti recorder o ire joke o itsense mo VHS o irimele mo na mo this address PO Box 61013 Marshalltown Johannesburg 2107. Maybe beketlang ke tlo mulla joke ya gago e re ke bofulle ya ka tsheko
awuthile ke nana skela awuthile ko skela ne awuthile ka Afrikaans ne intswembu wetala ho bode classmate ne and classmate ngata ke lekhalate so and ha boda a fina le nya ha motho a fina le nya ho etsa hala ho tletse botaki da ho tletse dinga ke mixed da ya bona so baba ka toloki da hai awuthana ku fete ne le mohuti fete Petros on alukile abon ja tjoe Petros was goed en goed Petros on akula ke ba huti ba tsa kana moye ajo Petros was sick Petros on afokola aba ikela batho ayatla ka monna Petros was fokol today
Why wa itse ke nagana taba e nngwe ne ke feletsa ke ikgele ba sebaka se setele wa itse go na le taba e ya gore ma-gents ga rate go mamela taba e ya bomme if ba bolela I mean go na le mthako mo ba re ke dipotris tsa lekgotlo dipotris tsa lekgotlo o nyakile a tshwana le ba omokha so dipotris tsa lekgotlo ke bathaga ba ne ba rata taba e ya boloyara so dipotris tsa lekgotlo o feletsa a bula office ya gae mo Polokwane mo Tropong city center mara if a bula office ya boloyara o tshwanetse re a kry secretary a re no e re ke tsene mo seshigo mo ke nyake ganyane a kry bo mme ba wa bona ba di figure tse e ka re ke lebotolo la Coca-Cola so bianong o gotla le yena wa fitla montsha re wa tsekeng e ke yona office ya gago and then e ke office ya ka wa bona ne le mantaga ha e re Tuesday vroeg Asifa dipotris uyatlahela burugu abua zipiwa mme wa batho ha sa itse le hore a ithome bjang taba e because if o file mmereko ke motho o ka seno bua le yena butlaba fela wa bona o tlo felesa o jiwa ka mmele so o re no e re ke nagane le qhiga ke bulele le yena ka taba e o re wa itse ke impane libati la garage ala kwale aha dipotris a re no ke atla a tsene ka mo officing a fonele ko gae hello ke kopela lesebe le batse la garage ba re no le batse la garage le kilo ebile o tsamaile le dikia so o ya tlhahella mola mo reception wa fitwa mo tlhalosetsa gore wa itse ke mmene ba re garage e kilo and Ashifa le dikia tsa teng wa itse ke ithomo muja sibaga se sitele mme wa batho wa itse a sa itse gore a tshware eng a tlogele eng a irule eng if na irile wa bona so o feletsa re wa itse ke re ke bulele selo se nnete wa itse a re no nna ga ga jiwa ke mmereko a re wa itse ke impane nane ke re zipi aya kwaliwa amutlwa dipotris are he o iboni messages benz ya meola re na aka bona messages benz ke boni uno le matara nako ya papa sebaka se setele kore ke nako ya gore ke tsamaya bjanong wa itse pele ga e botlhoko bjang South Africa se ke le sia bjana ke le sia le mange a o bolele fela gore ke le sia le mang a se bothata beke tlang ke a gotla ke to di berekolla sebaka se setele le wena o tlo nagana gore ke loilwe le moloi wa teng maybe se le a shwele mara se bothata next week Tuesday 9:30 Sorry, what did you say? Action. Show action. The evolving journey of indigenous comedy continues every week on AshifaShabba, right here on SABC2. Good night, South Africa.